Hello everyone, welcome back to chapter 16. So today we're going to talk about the normal distribution. So start with the introduction about the normal distribution first. So what is standard normal distribution? So you can say, you probably heard about that question a lot because we have a simplest form for the normal distribution. So they give you a special name. So it's called standard normal distribution. So which is the to figure out the probability um, for the curve, which is we had that one to understand. The normal distribution is random variables with the probability for the density function, which is we learned from the 15th. Um, so this continuous curve, so please make sure. Um, I, I won't talk about how to prove that, but I will show you the standard normal distribution. This is a random variable standard normal distribution um, functions. So I want you guys to make sure put this one to your band reference. The standard normal distribution has the mean equal to 0 and standard deviation equal to 1. And the rule for general distribution, which is this is the rule for you to substitution in. And also if your function of x is less than or equal to a, the probability of z less than or equal to your normal distribution. So I know this sounds very weird and don't know what is going on and don't know how we understand this. This is general form to using the fine and standard deviation, the mean and standard deviation, particular for the distribution. And so we call this one random variable distribution is a normal density function. The random variable set to have a normal distribution. And remember the probability corresponds for the area under the curve, which is we're using anti-differentiation. And the total area under the curve is 1. So make sure. And the center of the determined by the mean of distribution, and the weights is determined for the standard deviation. So now we're gonna sketching the graph for our function. So we're gonna use the CAS calculator. So the same set of the axis, which is sketch the graph probability, the density function of the standard normal distribution, which is the mean equal to 1, standard deviation is 1. So the calculator can use to help. So I will show you how we're gonna use backcast during the class. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to my online CAS calculator, so I might gonna re-download it. So that's why I couldn't figure this out, but that's okay. I just want you guys to understand. If your mean is 1 and your standard deviation is 1, the graph is translated 1 units in the positive direction of x-axis. So which is if I know this one is y, this one is x. So the normal distribution before is like that. But your real function is moving from 0 to 1, which is your distribution will be looks like that. So this is will be your function, and keep going. Yeah. So this is a. There should be assumed that one. And the root for 2 density function will be y equal to 1 over square root of 2 pi e to the negative half x minus 1 squared. Uh, so this will be using by that function. Yeah. So because you know your phi equal to 1 and your mu equal to 1. So yeah, that's why. And question B, that's a little bit different. So we're gonna using our y equal to 1 divided by 2 square root of 2 because phi the standard deviation is 2, mu equal to 1. Um, so that's why we equal to 2y, 2 pi, e to the power of half to x minus 1 over 2 square. This is the function. We put this function in the CAS calculator. That will be the approximate looks like x and y. So original function will looks like this one. But the real function will become to 1, so which is this one. So I use maybe using the purple. Sorry, the gray one. So we'll be use like that. So yeah, this is a function differently. Actually, sorry, should be a little bit weird. So that should be so a little bit down. This should be like that. So yeah, that's the standard deviation we know from y. So 2 root 2 pi e to the negative 2 x minus 1 over 2 squared. Yeah. Yeah, so the graph is dilated from a y-axis by a function of 2 and also uh, dilate a factor of half from the x-axis and then translate by y units positive direction from x-axis. So yeah, this is how you translate by. Yeah, so this is all you need to know. And for the introduction for the normal distribution. So next time we're going to talk about our 3 different graphs for the standard deviation. I'll see you guys next time.